how engineers do it.
Hello friends, welcome to another video on how engineers do it. In this video, we're going to be seeing how we can fix reference errors in Excel. First of all, before we dive into how we can fix it, let's just understand what is reference errors. As you can see in this table, you have 4 reference errors. Let's just click on one of them and see what is really happening. The formula is referencing to a cell which does not exist. That is what is happening in the reference error. The same goes with whatever other reference errors that you have. So in order to fix the reference error, we'll have to either show the formula that where does this particular cell exist. In this case, let me just take a step back and see what was the initial table. So initially in the table, we had the dining out expenses, which had several different values. And the formula was initially referring to the cell C10, which now once I delete this row, this goes instead of C10, you have a reference error. And C10 now, the previous C11 is now C10 because I just deleted a row. So the easy way to fix it is, in this case, as you can see, we don't want the reference error. Either we can just delete it manually for each of the formulas, or else what you can do is you can press Control F, go to replace and type #ref exclamation and replace it with replace all. And once you do that, the formula is going to work. Now I'm just going to go back and tell you one more thing. Now, have you thought why did this happen only to these 4 cases, whereas the other cases it worked? Now let's just go into one of these cells which are actually working. And you can see here now this formula is using a range. Now remember, range and individual addition is different. Now range changes dynamically. When you delete a row, it changes its range dynamically. Now that's what is happening. Now when we're working on a large data set, we may have entered some different formulas. Probably somebody else would have worked at a different point of time. And when we make this kind of changes, sometimes reference errors do throw people off. And yeah, I think this is going to be helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.